There is the potential in Nantucket for us to see wind gusts nearing 50 miles per hour, which is why we are seeing a wind advisory just for Nantucket today. That's in effect until 6 o'clock this evening. That's not to say it won't be windy elsewhere. It's just that on Nantucket, it's reaching wind advisory criteria with that potential for wind gusts near 50. Here's a look at what to expect elsewhere, though. You can see by 2 o'clock today, we're still seeing those wind gusts near 40 miles per hour, so it's still pretty gusty. As we move toward this evening, it's still gusting near 20 to 30 miles per hour, and then this is tomorrow morning. And notice, while there's a bit of a breeze, this is nothing compared to what we're dealing with this morning. So we're seeing a little bit of improvement as far as the wind strength heading into that forecast tomorrow. This is the storm that brought all that rainfall yesterday, some of us seeing over 1.5 inches to 2 inches. It's moving out over Canada. It is strengthening, and that is why that wind is picking up, and it's flowing right over the Great Lakes, leading to some lake effect snow showers moving into upstate New York. And some of those lake effect snow showers, they're moving their way toward western Massachusetts into the Berkshires. But what's happening is as they flow over the mountains, they actually start to fade heading into areas of central Massachusetts. But we do, of course, in Worcester have the Worcester Hills, so perhaps that could help to bring a flake or two developing this afternoon. However, at this point, most of us are sitting dry. That will be the case for most of the region. Throughout the rest of today, we have a mostly sunny sky as we make our way toward the 40s this afternoon. The only 30s I'm expecting is as you go from the Worcester Hills north and west, where we could see a few upper 30s out there, but still sitting above average. Tonight, a lighter wind, and then we move into your pick of the week for tomorrow. Tuesday still dry and sunny, but a little cooler as we transition to a colder pattern for the rest of the week.